Imagine never having to dig through clumsy menus or multiple apps just to find what you need on your Windows PC. That's the promise behind Google's latest experiment, a sleek new desktop app that aims to put a powerful Spotlight-inspired search bar right on your Windows desktop. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just another search tool. Google is rethinking how we interact with everything on our computers. Files, cloud storage, the web, and even images, all from a single, flexible search bar you can move and resize anywhere on your screen. Currently available as an early test to Google's Search Labs program, this app is launching exclusively for personal Google accounts in the US and requires Windows 10 or higher. To get started, you'll need to sign in with your Google account, much like setting up Chrome, and then you're off and running. One of the coolest features? You can summon the search bar instantly by pressing Alt and Space, a shortcut longtime Mac users will recognize from Apple's Spotlight. The app remembers your preferences, so you can move, shrink, or minimize the bar to keep your desktop tidy. But this isn't just about finding files or apps. Google has baked in its advanced visual search technology, Google Lens, which means you can select any image or snippet of text on your screen, right-click, and instantly search for information or get translations. For example, highlight a tricky math problem from your homework, and the app's AI mode can help you find the solution. And speaking of AI, the app lets you toggle this feature on or off, giving you control over how much automation you want in your searches. The interface is clean and customizable. You can flip between classic search results, AI-powered answers, image searches, shopping, video, and more, just like you would in a web browser. You can also switch between dark and light themes to match your setup. In many ways, this feels like Google is saying, why shouldn't Windows have something as seamless and intuitive as Mac's Spotlight? And indeed, Microsoft has been beefing up its own built-in search features, especially with the recent push behind Copilot plus PCs. This sets up an intriguing battle for the future of desktop search. Now, let's get a bit controversial. Some may wonder, do we really need another search bar on our PCs? Windows already has its own robust search, and with Microsoft doubling down on AI and Copilot, there's a real debate over whether Google's move is innovative or just adding more clutter. Moreover, by requiring a Google account and linking deeply with Google Drive and Lens, are we surrendering even more of our digital lives to one company? On the flip side, Google fans will likely argue that this app brings together the best of Google's search smarts in one convenient place, making daily tasks easier and faster. To try it out, head to Google Search Labs and enable the experiment. For now, it's available only in English and only in the US. What do you think? Will this app become a daily must-have, or is it just another layer of complexity on your desktop? Have you tried it? Do you trust Google to handle your desktop searches? Or do you prefer sticking with Microsoft's built-in tools? Jump into the comments and let's hear your take.